Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare these delicious, yes my friends, I said it, delicious shrimp tacos. And these are delicious my friends, and I'm going to be preparing this actually with some fresh Pico de Gallo. Come with me guys and let me show you how to prepare these delicious shrimp tacos. So I have about a pound of shrimp. I also have my flour tortilla, which are our favorites here in the house. I'm going to be using some aguacates on avocado as well. Of course, I'm going to be using some garlic, oregano. I have 4 limes. I have some salt and pepper. And I have here some cumin. It's going to give these shrimp such a delicious taste. And of course, some paprika for that little heat. And here's my favorite. I have some jalapeños. I'm not going to be using all these jalapeños. I'm just going to be using just a little part of my jalapeños. And of course, we have tomatoes. We have fresh cilantro. I'm going to be using some oil and some red wine vinegar. It's going to give my pico de gallo such a delicious flavor. So let's start by seasoning our shrimp. And guys, I say this all the time, season to taste. Now, these shrimp tacos are a little different. I'm not gonna be adding any cheese or any sour cream, but hey, listen, if that's what you fancy, go right ahead. I am gonna be doing my pico de gallo, so it's gonna be more like a fresh tasting shrimp tacos. Now, if you don't do shrimp, you can do the same recipe with chicken or even steak if you like, or fish. Yes, let's not forget fish. I'm here adding at the end a little garlic. It's gonna give these shrimp that really nice garlic flavor. Again, season to taste. If you think it needs a little more salt, go ahead, add some salt. You want to make sure you season your shrimp nicely, and you are going to refrigerate this for a good hour or 45 minutes. So let's move to the pico de gallo, my friends. And this is so easy. Now, this is my version. So I have red onion, and in fact, I did not show the red onion at the beginning. So yes, it can be a white onion. It don't matter. I love my red onion. So I have here the jalapeno. As you can see, I'm just using a little piece because it's very spicy. We have the cilantro, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of oregano, and yes, a little garlic. Of course, I have my lime, and this is so easy to do. And here's the winner. I say this, the red wine vinegar. It's what's going to really give this pico de gallo such a fresh and delicious taste. I just love the colors. Look how fresh this actually looks. So we got the tomato, we got the cilantro, we have the onion, and we have some garlic. And I am going to go ahead and season my pico de gallo. The key with this as well is that the longer you keep it in the refrigerator, the longer it marinates and all those flavors come together. So I'm adding a little bit of salt and pepper. And I'm going to do, again, a little bit of oregano. A lot of people don't put oregano, but I am putting oregano, my friends. And of course, we're going to do the lime, and then we're going to add the red wine vinegar. And voila, very easy. And you know, this is something that you can actually put on your grilled chicken or even grilled steak. Delicious. I have my skillet here on a medium heat. I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Whatever you fancy, my friends. I use canola oil. You can use vegetable oil. You can use olive oil. I am going to be cooking my shrimp for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. The key with shrimp, I've done a lot of recipes here on my channel, is not to overcook the shrimp because then it's going to be gummy and you don't want a gummy shrimp taco. And what we want to do here is as well, you want to go ahead and spread them apart. Let's not overlap because then they're not going to cook evenly, and we want to make sure that they do cook evenly. Now, my friends, this is what you want. Look how pretty this looks. This is almost done. I'm going to go ahead and add some lime for that extra zest. Delicious. Now we're almost done, my friends. Look how beautiful this actually looks. There's one last step. I don't know about you guys, but I like to warm up my flour tortilla. So guess what? That's exactly what we're gonna do, and we are done. Now, how easy was this? I don't know about you guys, but I can do Taco Tuesday every single day. This was such an easy recipe. Again, I've said it before, if you don't do shrimp, you can do steak, you can do chicken, and definitely fish. I've done this recipe with salmon. So good. So good. Now look how beautiful this looks. I actually added some aguacate, some avocado on top, and of course some of the fresh Pico de Gallo. So this doesn't need any cheese. It doesn't need sour cream. This is perfect the way it is. Guys, cheers and thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.